You're not losing because you're a bad trader. You're losing because an AI already made your move before you even saw it. You wake up before your alarm, not because you're disciplined, but because something feels off. There's a silence in the markets now, not the kind you hear, but the kind you feel. You reach for your phone, checking futures before your eyes are even fully open. The S&P is slightly up, NASDAQ drifting, oil flat. Nothing unusual, but something is. You shake it off and head to your desk, settling into the same setup you've used 1,000 times. 3 monitors, news feed scrolling, economic calendar off to the side, charts glowing in the center like they always have. This is your system. Analyze, predict, execute. That's the edge. That's what you've built. You start your morning scan, running through high-volume movers, gap-ups, earnings reactions. A chart catches your eye. Clean breakout forming, textbook structure. You feel it immediately. This is the trade. You mark your levels, wait for confirmation, steady your hand over the mouse. But before you can click, the move is already gone. Exploded. The exact entry you were waiting for. Missed in an instant. You lean back, exhaling slowly. Just fast markets, you tell yourself. It happens. You move on to the next setup. Same thing. Then another. Same result. Every time you prepare to act, it's already over. Now you stop. Really stop. Something isn't right. You switch to level 2 data. Orders flicker across the screen faster than you've ever seen. Not human fast. Machine fast. You watch the tape. Thousands of orders appearing and disappearing in milliseconds. It doesn't look like trading anymore. It looks like something else entirely. You open a finance article, scanning headlines until one line catches your attention. Firms increase AI-driven trading allocation to 78% of daily volume. You reread it. 78%. You scroll further. Machine learning models dominate intraday liquidity and price discovery. Price discovery. That used to be you. You laugh under your breath. That's institutional stuff, you say. Different game. But when you pull up your P&L from the last 3 months, the numbers don't lie. Flat. Not losing, but not winning either. Just stuck. You remember when it wasn't like this. You used to feel the market. You could read momentum before it showed itself, catch moves early, anticipate reactions. Now everything feels like it's happening ahead of you, like you're chasing something that's always one step out of reach. So you slow it down. Swing trading. Give yourself more time. You open a daily chart. Perfect trend. Clean pullback to support. RSI reset. It's textbook. You enter the trade with confidence, convinced you finally found your edge again. The next morning, you check your phone. Stopped out. Not gradually, not through noise, but with precision. Price dropped directly to your stop. Tapped it, then reversed hard and moved exactly where you originally expected. Without you. You sit there, staring at the screen. That wasn't random. It wasn't bad luck. It felt targeted. You open Twitter. Traders are complaining. Market manipulation, stop hunting, the usual noise. You've said the same things before, but this time, it doesn't feel right. You start digging deeper. Forums, research papers, interviews. One phrase keeps coming up: predictive liquidity targeting. You open a paper and start reading. It explains how AI models don't just analyze price. They analyze behavior. Where traders place stops, where they hesitate, where they panic. The system learns, adapts, anticipates. You feel something shift in your chest. That stop out wasn't random. It was calculated. You go back to your charts and zoom out, studying the structure. Everything looks too clean, too efficient. Breakouts either explode instantly or fail immediately. There's no middle ground anymore. No hesitation. And then it hits you. Machines don't hesitate. You open your trading journal and scroll through old entries. Wait for confirmation. Let the trade develop. You stare at that line. Let it develop? There is no development anymore.
It either happens instantly or it doesn't happen at all. You start testing it, measuring time between signal and movement. Human reaction time is around 250 milliseconds. AI reaction time is effectively zero. You say it out loud without meaning to. I'm too slow. But it's not just speed, it's scale. You think about how many charts you can realistically analyze at once. Maybe 10, if you're focused. An AI can process thousands simultaneously across every market: stocks, forex, crypto, options, all at once. You open another article. Reinforcement learning models continuously optimize strategies in real time. It's not just fast, it's getting better every second. You sit there, letting that sink in. This isn't competition. It's something else entirely.
You look at your indicators: MACD, RSI, moving averages. Every one of them is based on past data, lagging signals. AI doesn't lag, it predicts. You watch the chart again, but now it feels different, like you're watching something that's already been decided, and then you realize something that makes your stomach drop. You're not trading the market. You're reacting to decisions already made by something else. You're not early. You're late. Every single time. You run one more test. Place a limit order far away from current price, just to observe. Minutes later, price starts drifting in that direction. Not perfectly, but close enough to make you uncomfortable. You cancel the order immediately, your heart beating faster than it should. Whatever this system is, it sees everything. You pull up your trade history and analyze it. Winning trades are small, quick exits. Losing trades are precise entries that move against you almost immediately. It's systematic, controlled. You open a documentary clip and hear a hedge fund manager say, "We don't trade the market anymore. We trade participants." You pause the video. Participants. That's you. And suddenly, it's clear. You've spent years training yourself to be consistent, disciplined, predictable. Same setups, same entries, same risk management. And something out there learned all of it. You open your code editor, thinking about the tools you've built: screeners, indicators, signals. They feel primitive now, outdated. Then a new thought forms. What if you stop trading like a human? What if you adapt? You start researching AI trading tools, APIs, automation frameworks. You see what's possible. And then it hits you. The edge didn't disappear. It moved. It shifted from execution to design. The winners aren't the ones placing trades anymore. They're the ones building the systems that place them. You sit back, looking at your setup. Same desk, same charts, same markets. But everything feels different now. The game didn't disappear. It evolved. And you're standing at the edge of it. You can keep trading the same way, slowly fading out, convincing yourself you just need one more adjustment. Or you can step into the next layer entirely. You open a blank file. The cursor blinks. For the first time in a long time, you're not thinking about your next trade. You're thinking about your next system. Because somewhere, right now, an AI is scanning every chart you're watching, predicting every move you're waiting for, executing before you even decide. And it's not stopping. The only question left is, will you?